The spiritual secrets to financial freedom, no one will tell you this. That the reason you're struggling financially isn't because you don't know the right strategy, but because you're starting in the wrong place. Everywhere you look today, people are promising you wealth, fast money, luxury homes, the millionaire lifestyle, but here's the truth. No one is telling you. You can have all of that and still feel empty, stressed, and lost. If you're here to build real freedom, spiritually and financially, make sure you're subscribed, because that's exactly what this channel is all about. We live in a world full of illusions. You're told that success means a $30 million home, flashy car, aeroplanes, and a life that looks good on social media. And they tell you, follow me, my method, my course, use my system. But what happens? You chase, you hustle, you grind, and still feel anxious about money, still feeling like it's never enough, still feel that the pressure in your chest, wondering if you will ever truly be free. Hit the subscribe button. You're not alone. We're here changing that together, because deep down, you already know it's not just about money, it's about peace. It's about purpose. It's about alignment. And without that, no money will ever fix what's missing inside. So let me share something that changed everything for me. Financial freedom doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your spirit. The first step to real financial success is improving your relationship with God. Because when you align yourself spiritually, everything else begins to fall into place. Your mindset changes. Your decisions become clearer. You stop chasing what looks good and start building what is good. You begin to understand the difference between what you want and what you need. And that right there is where freedom begins. Because most people are trapped out of a lack of money, but by endless desires. Bigger, more, better. But when you shift your focus inward, when you serve others, when you act with purpose, when you trust God's guidance, you begin to experience something powerful. It's called peace. And from that place of peace, you make better choices in your business. You build stronger relationships with family. You take care of your health. And yes, you begin to attract financial blessings, not through force, but through alignment. So if you're feeling stuck financially, don't start another strategy. Start within. Strengthen your relationship with God. Serve others with intention, and trust that when you align your spirit, the doors you've been trying to force open and persuade will begin to open naturally. Subscribe if you're ready to walk this path, not just to financial success, but to true freedom. God bless you. This is Chris McGrath.